Hello friends! Are you feeling anxious about designing a cake for your loved one's birthday? Keep your worries at bay. Dear friends, welcome to my channel, where today I present some creative cake decorating ideas to help you craft a stunning cake adorned with magical decorations. What makes it even better is that you don't need to be an expert baker. You can personalize the decorations according to your loved one's preferences, enhancing the joy of their special day. Fondant flowers are currently in vogue, and incorporating them as cake decorations can add vibrant colors and appealing textures, making your loved ones feel truly special. Join me in following the step-by-step process and guidelines as we embark on this delightful episode. Creating this cake design may not be the simplest task, but it's definitely doable, especially when you witness how charming the results can be. Thank you, dear friends, for being with me today. I trust you found this delightful and enjoyable as I did sharing it with you. Your support holds immense value to me. If you relished this culinary journey, please express your appreciation by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Your encouragement is the driving force behind my passion, and I am genuinely grateful for each one of you. Stay tuned for another scrumptious recipe coming your way soon. Until then, Take care and stay safe. Happy baking!